In this video, you'll learn how to build a knowledge hub using Notion AI. By following these steps, you will create an organized space for your notes and resources, enhancing your productivity and information management. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open a web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage, which features various options for signing in or starting a new workspace. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Notion AI. This is typically found on the left sidebar of the Notion interface. After selecting this option, you will be directed to the AI features where you can utilize artificial intelligence to assist in creating your knowledge hub. Type the phrase create knowledge hub into the text input area. This action prompts Notion AI to begin generating content tailored to your request. Depending on your internet speed, there may be a brief waiting period as the AI processes your input. After the AI has generated the content, take a moment to review the results. The system will display the newly created knowledge hub, which may take a few moments to fully load. Ensure that everything appears as expected before moving forward. Once the knowledge hub is displayed, click on the section labeled Knowledge Hub. This section serves as the central area for your information. You will recognize it by the title prominently displayed at the top of the page. Continue by selecting Knowledge Hub once more to delve deeper into the content. This action opens the specific area where you can organize and access your knowledge efficiently. Next, locate and click on the Quick Links section. This feature allows you to create shortcuts to important resources, making navigation easier. A new window will open, displaying options for adding links. After that, click on the inbox option, often labeled as Capture. This section is designed for collecting ideas and notes that require further action. The interface will show you a space to input your thoughts. Now, select the Topic section, which serves as your knowledge library. Here, you can categorize and manage different subjects. Look for the topics that you have previously created or want to add. Next, click on the Project section. This area is designated for ongoing work and helps you track progress on various tasks. You will see a list of active projects and their current status. Proceed by selecting the How-Tos section, which is meant for documenting repeatable processes. This feature is useful for creating guides or instructions for tasks you frequently perform. Then, click on the Reference section. This area is where you can store useful materials, links, or documents that you may need to refer to later. The layout will allow you to organize these resources effectively. Finally, select the Archive section. This part is for storing completed projects or outdated information. Archiving helps in decluttering your main workspace while keeping records accessible. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.